Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unlocking 5 essential English phrases native speakers use literally all the time. Want to sound totally natural right away? Let's dive into these absolute beginner phrases to supercharge your confidence. First up, meeting people and asking questions. Let's check out the perfect conversational icebreaker. Asking, "What do you do?" is super polite for careers. Definitely avoid asking, "What is your job?" Try this at a networking event. Just ask or simply reply with, "I'm a teacher." Easy, right? Next, managing time and workplace scenarios. Here's exactly how to handle office scheduling like a total pro. Stuck in traffic before a big meeting? Say, "I'm running late," instead of just saying, "I am late." Always tack on a quick sorry for politeness. Practice texting your boss. "Sorry, I'm running late." Need a second to think at work? Just say, "I'll get back to you." Never say, "I don't know." Give them a time frame so nobody's left hanging. Practice saying, "I'll get back to you tomorrow." Moving on to reactions and polite requests. Let's learn how to actually respond naturally in conversations. Here's a visual cue. Smile, nod, and say, "That sounds great." It's the ultimate enthusiastic workplace response. Practice time. A coworker mentions a weekend trip to Goa. Boom, show your excitement with this exact phrase. Never just bark, "Help me." For polite workplace assistance, you absolutely gotta ask, "Can you help me?" Make eye contact, point to the object, and practice asking, "Can you help me with this bag?" Boom, there is your daily beginner toolkit. These 5 essential phrases will seriously upgrade your spoken English. To master them fast, you gotta stop translating in your head. Practice these exact sentences every single day. Your fluency journey starts right now. So which phrase will you use at work tomorrow?